A shortfall of antibiotics has plagued the pharmaceutical industry for decades, most notably during times of highest demand. Antibiotics such as amoxicillin and augmentin have long been prescribed to treat high-risk pathogens, such as those that cause ear infections and pneumonia. With uncertainty of supply, consumers worry that they won't be able to care for their children and loved ones. Production problems, poor quality, and financial issues of key players in the supply chain have had some of the biggest impact on antibiotic supply. Our team at RCA has used their regulatory expertise and reputation to play an invaluable role for some of the largest antibiotic producers and have helped to mitigate the drug shortage for the healthcare industry.
At RCA, we meet our clients' unique regulatory and quality challenges by providing expert oversight across the entire product lifecycle. So whether it's getting in front of a drug shortage or actively combating a current drug shortage, we help our clients with the right level of quality and regulatory expertise necessary to overcome the hurdles to get their product back into patients' hands.
RCA recently partnered with a U.S. drug manufacturer to gain expedited approval from the FDA for manufacturing antibiotics currently on the FDA's drug shortage list. Our regulatory consultants conducted a mock FDA assessment in preparation for rapid approval and assisted in preparing the related 50 FDA supplement filings and updated product labeling. This saved months in potential additional work and helped ensure a nationwide shortage was averted.
Our mission of safeguarding global health is motivating to me because I get to see the direct impact helping our clients makes. Whether it's having a hand in solving a critical drug shortage or getting a cutting-edge new life-saving therapy to the patients that need it, we make sure it's safe, effective, and available.
This is how our Nelson Labs RCA team lives our mission every day. As a partner to pharmaceutical manufacturers trying to resolve the global drug shortage, while safeguarding global health through their regulatory expertise and FDA knowledge, which helps ensure the necessary approvals are gained in order to produce antibiotics for patients in need.